Cass here, PTPGun, and today I'm going to show you the disassembly and reassembly of this Beretta Neos 22 long rifle. The first step of disassembling any firearm is to make sure that the firearm is clear and unloaded. So I'm going to go ahead, hit the magazine release, drop the magazine, get that out of the way. Then I'm going to go ahead and pull the slide back, which on here is just the silver part right now. Lock that back, double check, the chamber's clear, magazine well's empty. We are good to proceed with the disassembly of this firearm. So we go ahead and send that slide back home now. Alright, and what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to press this button here, and while pressing that I'm going to rotate this dial. So I'm going to rotate that, and it's going to slowly lift the barrel assembly and the whole slide assembly off of the frame itself. Just got to keep on going. Pull that slide back a little bit, it'll kind of free it from there. All right. So now we have the barrel assembly. We have the slide itself, the spring, and then the rest of this stays on to the actual frame itself. All right. So we have the frame, the spring, the slide, as well as the upper barrel assembly. Right. From here you can do any type of cleaning and maintenance you might need to do to this firearm, and once you have that complete, you can go ahead and proceed with the reassembly. So from here we're going to go ahead and start by reinstalling the spring. Then we're going to mount the slide. We're going to pull that back and lock that back as best we can. Alright, from here we're going to reintroduce the barrel assembly. And then I can start tightening it down from here. Again, I'm going to press that button. Alright, it's pretty firm on there. Pull that slide back a couple times. Turn the safety off, do a function check. Reduce the magazine. Alright. And now we have it properly assembled. This is again the disassembly and reassembly of the Beretta Neos in 22. For more videos like this of more different handguns, rifles, and shotguns, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also find us on Instagram and Facebook at PTPGun. Thank you all again. Stay safe and remember to train to survive.